What's up, everyone? This is Shul, aka Alt Crypto Gems, and in this video, I'll be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. I'll be sharing my thoughts on the current status of the crypto market, and we'll be checking out what I think is happening next. So before we get started, be sure to follow me on Twitter. That's at Alt Crypto Gems for daily crypto content. Like this YouTube video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want to get started with crypto trading, then my suggestion would be to get started with Bybit. I'll leave the link in the description to get the best discount bonuses and trading fees. So without further ado, let's get started with the charts. So currently, the Bitcoin market, what do I think is going to happen? Now, looking at the daily chart over here, we can see we had the bull run in 2021. We had a downfall ever since then, and then we had a move upwards again. Now, one of the most crucial parts was breaking the 32K mark over here. We've actually flipped that level. We had a bullish move upwards, and then we had the mid-range happening at around 40K, and we bounced perfectly on this mid-range. As you can see, we went up pretty high. We then dropped, perfectly bounced, and we're now going back up. And now the next target would be the 48K range. This is the macro level to flip and also a possible rejection scenario. Now, you've seen this earlier over here. We went up, we then got rejected and went down. So what is crucial to watch is us going towards this macro level, then trying to break out even further, going towards the 50, 60, 70K, or get a rejection and fall down over here. So after that, let's have a look at the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Now, what we can see is we had a clear uptrend happening lately, which is still intact. As you can see, we tried to touch it a couple times, and it's been going ever since. Now, we had our initial rejection around 44K. We got rejected. We dropped down. We then had a consolidation part happening, which is perfectly normal. And then we are now back at the 44K, trying to break. And like I said in the previous chart, we are trying to reach the supply area at around 48K and are trying to break it over here. Now, one of the things I've been saying for quite a while is when we were at the 40K mark, around 40, 41K, I told you guys to open a long towards this 44K again. And as you can see, that played out perfectly. So looking at the king of altcoins, or ETH, obviously, in all honesty, I had made a previous video last week on a market update and nothing really has changed for Ethereum. We had a key breakout over here. We tried to go up. We then dropped down. We had a perfect retest or bounce over here. And what is crucial right now is that the price should not go below this level, which it doesn't seem to be doing. Now, what's going to happen next is Ethereum will probably trade within this range of where we're currently at around 3.2K. And in all honesty, I said this last time as well, there's not much resistance in between this range. So once we get going, I see a very clear target at 3K. So what are we seeing looking at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart? Now, this is important to watch to see which one is stronger. We've seen a clear downtrend on the ETH BTC pair, just like I said last time. And still, we see no sign of reversal. So this still means that Bitcoin is doing better than Ethereum, and it's still a Bitcoin season and not really an Ethereum season yet. Now, if this does flip and we do get this key level once again, I then see a rally of Ethereum and altcoins. So then we possibly see an alt season happening. Now, another chart to watch is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Just like I said with the previous chart, there's still no signs of reversal. Bitcoin is on a very strong uptrend. The market cap or dominance of Bitcoin is still continuing on this upwards momentum. So there's still no signs of reversal. Once we see this breaking down, then we're going to be watching and possibly seeing Bitcoin going down while Ethereum and altcoins are going to run. So that's why this is an important chart to watch as well. Now, obviously, we need to talk about Solana. What's been happening with Solana? I said this in a previous video as well. We had a massive accumulation phase of around 2 years where nothing really happened with Solana. And then all of a sudden, we had a breakout. Now, first of all, we broke that $40 level, which was absolutely bullish. We had a small retest and then continued upwards. Now, the second thing that we need to look at is Solana flipped the $80 level, which was a crucial level to flip. And as you can see, we're now above it. And probably what I think is we're going up quite a bit down towards this mid-range again, and then hope for a retest towards this HTF target. So what is the next target for Solana? If we actually bounce off here, then the next target would be $120. And that's where I'd be checking out to see if we need to open a short if it's going to get rejected, or even a long if it does break out. Now, something else important to watch is the Solana Bitcoin chart. Now, why am I watching this? Like I said before, we watched the Ethereum Bitcoin chart to see which one is stronger. And we saw that Ethereum was having a very strong downtrend, so Bitcoin was stronger. Looking at Solana Bitcoin, however, we see a different scenario. We see Solana actually making a move upwards, which means Solana is actually winning of Bitcoin right now. So like I said, we do not have an alt season yet, but we do see that, for example, a coin like Solana is right now stronger than Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin is already performing very strongly. So one more fun thing to watch is the Solana Ethereum chart. Now, what this would say is, let's see which one is stronger. And what we saw, the chart was going down, which meant Ethereum was a lot stronger than Solana. But ever since we had that breakout, Solana is absolutely flying. Now, as you can see, it's up 240% in around 1 or 2 months. So right now, it actually broke out of a crucial level as well, which means Solana is absolutely king of the town right now and is beating Ethereum very, very easily. So right now, I'm still saying Solana seems very bullish. Now, finally, Solana, obviously, the market cap, as you can see, is we came from less than 1% and we're now upwards of more than 2% just within 1 or 2 months, which is absolutely crazy. Looking actually at the market cap over here, Solana has overtaken XRP, we've overtaken ADA, and probably it's going to hit BNB very soon if Solana keeps having this upwards momentum. So right now it seems Solana is the play. We're also seeing a lot of meme coins or other coins happening, obviously bonk on the Solana ecosystem. So next week I will be talking about the injective ecosystem as well, as we see a similar move happening there. So that's important to watch. So that is going to be it for this video. Once again, follow me on Twitter at altcryptogems, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you want to get started with crypto trading, my suggestion would be to get started with Bybit. So long story short, Bitcoin very strong, Ethereum a bit less, and Solana very strong. And keep an eye out for injective. Thank you guys for watching.